Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. It might be a little messy, but that's okay. Try to clean it as much as I can, you know. But today I'm going to be doing my first cooking video. Oh. Now, there's one thing you need to know. I'm very messy. I can be clumsy sometimes. I'm not really a chef or anything. I just like to cook good food sometimes. And I post it on my Snap and on my Insta story, and you guys always ask me to film a recipe or film how I make it, so I think I might just do that every now and then. So for my first one, I'm going to start off pretty easy. We're going to be doing a really easy French vanilla toast recipe, also known as pain perdu sucré in French. But I'm so used to eating pain perdu like salty, like with ketchup, but you can also have it, it's normally supposed to be sweet. Do you know what I mean? But this is more like of an English version. It's got cinnamon and sugar and like vanilla in it. To be honest, I haven't actually tasted a French vanilla toast in France. I'm from there, but I need to do that one day. That has to be a mission of mine, to actually taste a real one from a restaurant or something. But yeah, today I'm just going to show you how to make an easy one at home. It's really yummy. You probably have all the ingredients at home anyways, so yeah, we're gonna jump straight onto it. Okay, so the ingredients that you're gonna need are, I basically make a big batch because I have so many people to feed in this house. So if you want to make a smaller batch, just halve everything I'm gonna mention. You're gonna want 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, a cup of milk. I use whole milk, it's the best. And I've got my bread, and then these are just extra bits. So I've got some butterscotch syrup. This is what it looks like. This is so yum. Oh my god, I can't wait. And then I've got some raspberries and some strawberries from Tesco. Shall we just jump onto making the mixture then? Right then, you're gonna grab your eggs. We're gonna crack them in the bowl. Am I already being messy? I'm so clumsy when it comes to food, honestly. But this recipe is just so yum, like. Okay, put that aside. Look at me putting egg everywhere. So now I'm putting a whole cup of milk in, which does seem quite a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that and put the rest back in. My mum keeps these nuts in there. I don't even know why. Don't ask me. I don't know why. So I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of sugar. This is the cinnamon powder. We're gonna put a half of that. I'm gonna grab a fork just to mix it all up, mix it all up, mix it all up. I normally have music with me when I'm cooking, so it's a bit silent. So I've got some of my Flora butter here. It's actually one of the best butters out there, to be honest. I'm gonna put the fire on. Keep mixing your mixture so there's no lumps. Yes, I know this thing is in a state, but my mum does not want to throw it, so I need to get a new one. Maybe I should invest in actual good cooking equipment. Hey, don't you guys act like you ain't got some old nasty like pan that you still use because your mum doesn't want to throw it away. I'm gonna get some bread. I keep it like medium, low to medium heat. And you want to drip your bread in there. And then put it on there. Do it 2 at a time because with all the bread that I have to make today, it's gonna bloody take me a whole day to make all of them. I'm just dipping them in slightly and just put them there and I'll let them cook. Put the fire blit high. I've just realised now you guys are gonna make fun of me because I've been saying fire the whole time. I guess you're supposed to say heat. The heat on low, medium. Oh Lord. Oh my god, it smells so nice. You know, because I can see some of the egg yolk, I'm going to put a little bit more milk in the mixture. So basically, yes, it is. I was supposed to put a cup. Don't know why I'm trying to act all professional, thinking it's too much. So they are almost ready. You want to make sure that they look like this before taking them off. And put some kitchen towel on a plate. One is done. We're going to put it on like that. That's what it should really look like. You can leave them a bit longer if you want them to be a bit more crispy. Could do that. Just letting that one cook a bit more. So whilst the others are cooking, I am going to show you guys how to prepare it. I mean, I'm not that great at decoration. I try my best, but you know when you just want to cook something quickly. I mean, if you saw yesterday's Instagram, well, the other day I posted this on my Insta story and I literally put a dollop of Nutella and thought that was presentable. I've just got this nice plate and we're going to put 2 like this. I'll just grab 2. We're going to grab some of our... Actually, let's place the fruit first. So we're going to place the fruit. Cute. That one's a dodgy one as well. What the hell? I just bought these and they got fluff in them. Tesco, man. Tesco, what are you doing? And we're gonna grab some of this amazing butterscotch sauce. Lightly. You don't want too much of this, not too much. Come on, don't fail me now. Oh no. Oh my god, guys, this is gonna be so yum. So that's the finished result, guys. Doesn't it look so yum? So yum. It's so good. It literally tastes like you said, it smells like a pancake shop in here. Like, it literally tastes like I've been to a shop. I'm so proud of it, guys. Yeah. Do you want to taste it? You taste it. She didn't want any of the fruit or anything with it. Look at the mess though. I told you guys I'm messy. This is why I don't do food videos. I can taste it for them. Yeah, you can stop
I
eating
don't
from
know if I
my
want
plate,
to
thanks.
Nutella or that now.
Isn't it good?
Actually, can you come me some strawberries, please?
And she wants some strawberry. She said, no, I don't want no fruit. I don't want no buttercup. Just cause
It's
blah.
one of my 5 a day.
You said you didn't want that. You said, What are you doing?
Don't you taste good with it?
Look at this. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I'm just going to finish off the rest for the others. I hope you guys enjoyed this food video, and if you want to see more, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. I really had fun doing this video. My next one will probably be a pasta, you know that butter chicken pasta I always do with spinach? Probably that one. But definitely give this video a thumbs up. It will let me know to do more. Thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!